Do you think newbies should absolutely have the data dive software?
Oh, 1,000%. I think that every seller should have the data dive software. It helps in every aspect of the business, from the product development side, really understanding the risk of doing a product and how the current sellers are getting their sales. Jennifer and I, very early on, made some mistakes with products, right? And we had some success, but really it was blind luck in a lot of ways. And then from that, Jennifer, with her background in computer science and being very methodical and data driven, and I being very analytical, we decided to really break down why we were successful with certain products and why we weren't. And so she was able to help us to piece together data from different software that was on the market
Mm.
with spreadsheets and different formulas. And she wrote macros into Excel sheets. And we were analyzing how every seller was getting their sales.
Wow.
What keywords were they ranked well for? But then we needed to know which keywords could we possibly take advantage of, right? Because not every keyword is built the same. Different search volumes, different relevancy, different specificity.
Mhm.
And so she wrote a formula to figure that out too. And so this became our basic foundation for product selection, because if
Wow.
we couldn't beat competitors based on SEO, that was a no-go immediately. And so that would be the first box we would need to check. And the question that is at the center of Data Dive, that is at the center of being successful on Amazon, is understanding how the current sellers are getting their sales. If you can't answer that question, you're shooting blind and you're at a high risk of failure.